Hello, I'm Rochelle Miller. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday 2019 and I was working with a very how we can say, like makeup, not makeup or nude, but you can still see my makeup in my eyes. So I want to show you how I did my eyeshadows today, because I'm wearing a lot of it's a scare with some black, white and silver or gray, and then this is also with gray, so I use my favorite blazer with a little bit of like a pattern with also gray. So I was thinking, okay, what is the best color for gray combination? You know what? Of course, pink and gray. So I gonna show you how I use my palette, Rochelle Beauty palette, using with another palette. And this palette that I used was from Mary Kay. It's from a designer that I'm gonna be pretty much in my beauty room in a few minutes. So you go with me over there and I'm gonna show you which palette and who is the designer of that beautiful palette that I love so much. As you can see, I have also that pink that is from that palette plus my palette too. So now let's go and see the palette that I use, which is from Mary Kay by a designer, Patricia Donaldi, plus my palette to create this beautiful makeup for my job today. And I just want to show you, this is one of my certification. This is my accounting certification from UTA. It's a University of Texas at Arlington. This is another one. Yes, I have a lot of certification and college degree. So let's move on now to my beautiful and favorite beauty room. Welcome to my beauty room and office, of course. I like to show you always a view of my desk, my beauty desk, and well, all this stuff that usually I use. And this is all this, the final setting spray that I use today. More brushes, lipstick, more stuff here, more palette, more lipstick, and so on, so on. So, and then I'm gonna put this back here where I use this to get closer when I apply my makeup. See how nice and closer I am here. Okay, this is my palette, Rochelle's beauty palette. I use today from this palette only this color and this color, nothing else, only the two pinks, because I don't want to apply this as a base. I apply as a base, well, after, let me open my drawer here. I have more stuff here. After apply the primer from Lancôme right there, I apply this first, of course, and I use, you know what I did today? I did something different today. This is from MAC, of course. I get both. This is the light one and this is the darker one. But today I decided to use this old one, and I want to show you what I did. After I apply the primer, I apply this gold. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Okay, with my brush, I apply. Let me see if you can see it. Right here. You see that? There. So that's why it's very shiny right there. I want to do something different today, so that's why. So I apply that. Then I apply this pink. I have to back on this. Okay. I want to just really explain what I did. So let's do it again. With this, which is a blush brush, I love to use this for my highlighter because this is my highlighter brush, but I don't like it that it's too fluffy. You see, it's very soft. I like to actually get the color set really, and I have a lot of brush, you know, like why another one? This is perfect, but I want it for my highlights. So as I told you, I used this one from MAC today. It's pretty new. I barely use this. So this gold I apply, actually. You can see the gold. It's very gold, beautiful. It's very set. You can really see the color. So after I do that, I decide to apply that same gold. I was making sure before doing anything else to apply in this area right under my eyebrow. See, in both sides. Then after that, I came with this brush and I apply, can you see it? That pink, this pink, as a base color in my entire eyes. Then after that, as a transition color, I come with my palette, Rochelle Beauty palette, that one. I apply that here as a transitional color in the entire lid. Then the darker pink, this one, of course I pick a different, see, I pick a different brush. I have a lot of brush here. Don't think that I use the same one. Of course no, because it's not gonna mess up your color. Then I pick this darker pink and I apply right here in the in the inner corner, right there. I always try to leave this space a little bit off, even though I have the other color, this one, in the entire lid. I want to leave a little bit without color to play always at the end and put something like it's gonna, you see, it's brighter, right? Because I always leave that spot to make it brighter, my eyes. Like when I close my eyes, you see, oh, yes, it's bright. It's something in that face that is bright. All right, next, I come back and with a different brush, of course, I pick this one. This one that have actually, let me see if you can see the color, the real deal. It's a kind of gray with pink pigment, so don't look like totally gray. It's a different color that you cannot see, but it's beautiful. And then I apply that in my outer corner. But this time, I always paint or color right there until here, right? The design this time is go all the way to the top, like that. I don't know if you can see it. Because I was thinking I don't have too much time to go work and do my entire makeup. Like you can see I don't have no eyeliner. So that's why I decided just to get into the top, like right there. See, I messed up this one right now because I'm trying to show you what I did. But you can see this one is still there. You see? So I try to demonstrate with this eye, but you can see here what I did. Then, because I want really silver, let me show you. What I did, I closed this drawer and I'm gonna open down there, the third drawer down there, which have more of my palette. Let's go. Let's go down there. Right there. Here is more of my palette collections. And I was looking for a real silver one. So I still have my have those from Urban Decay, which I love so much. This palette, I'm not gonna throw it away. Why? It's brand new, almost never use it, just in few occasions. So I know it's not there in the market. You don't gonna find this, but you can find any other. I try to open, okay, with one hand. You can find a shimmery or any silver color in a different brand palette, so you don't have to always stuck with one palette, like, okay, if it's not there in the market, you screw. No. Okay, this one, I get this brown brush, pop, 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 and then of course we taking the extra, and then I did it, and then whap whap whap, I try to blend there into the rest, so you can see a natural transition, light pink, dark pink, and gray color, and then this is the effect. This is what you get. I did not do anything under my eyes because I was in a rush. I had to go work, and I actually don't want to do anything else. So for now, like, I just put all my makeup, the rest. I put some blush, and I did the contouring. As you can see, for the contouring, I use, of course, this one from MAC. I try to use all my stuff once in a while. And then for this tip, I come here and use this one from Estée Lauder. Can you see it? The number is 61. And the name is Pink. Whoa. What was that? It's pink something, but without glasses, I never can see anything. Oh, Pink Parfait. Right there. You can see it. 61, and the name is Pink Parfait. So this is what I have today to combine my makeup with pink and gray, because pink is the best option for gray. Right there. Beautiful. Okay, so this is that for today. So I want to teach you today what things you can do if you are wearing gray, like I did today. The best option, of course, are find something in your makeup palette that have gray and pink, of course. So I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and just for those that are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you've been here with me more often. I promise this year I'm gonna be teaching more and more and more. I want to teach you later on how I do my eyebrows and many other good stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching one more time. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Also, at the end, I forgot to mention that I set the face with my setting spray from City Color Collection. City Color Collection. Yes, you need to know that too. So that's why I still have my makeup pretty well done. You can see it. It's still like fresh, like a brand new stuff from like right now, and it's about 6 hours or more that I did my makeup. So you can see I only messed up right here because I tried to show you and display what I did, but the rest is from Lancôme. So see, and as you can see, something else, I just did my root today in the morning. So I let it grow like a 1 inch, and it's good. I wanna leave my hair longer, so that's why I don't want to go on my root every single way I see them. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Please come back to my channel and thumbs up, subscribe about everything. Please subscribe. Bye bye.